Welcome to Mini Orange Social Login plugin, to configure Pinterest app. On WordPress dashboard, go on Mini Orange Social Login plugin. Click on Pinterest. We will go through the steps in this video. Click on Pinterest developer link. Next, on Pinterest dashboard, click checkbox of accept terms and services. Then click create app button. Enter an appropriate app name and give its description. Now click on create button. Scroll to site URL and redirect URL. To fill this field, go to instruction. Copy site URL and paste it in site URL. Next, copy redirect URL and paste it in redirect URL. Hit enter. And click on Save. Scroll up to App ID and App Secret. Now copy App ID and paste it in App ID field. Next, go to App Secret. Click Show button. Copy App Secret and paste it in App Secret field. Save it. Then click on Test Configuration. Authorize your Pinterest app. User attribute of Pinterest app will be get display here. Go to Pinterest icon. Here is option to enable and disable Pinterest custom app. Open new tab, go on login page. On login form, click on Pinterest icon. You will get successfully logged into the website. This will create new account using Pinterest attribute. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, ask in description.